Here are the secret steps to making money on Amazon, even if you've never sold anything online before. There's 3 steps. Step number 1 is finding the right type of product to sell. Step number 2 is sourcing that product from a reliable manufacturer at a good price. And step number 3 is knowing your numbers. So let's go over step number 1. With most beginners, I typically see that they want to sell a product like an iPhone case, and this is the wrong type of product to sell. The reason is because an iPhone case is a mass market product. So if I open Jungle Scout, which is the software that I use to help analyze products, it has something called the opportunity score, and it says there's high demand with high competition. Okay, there's a lot of money being made with this product, right? 760 grand a month in sales, $2.68 million a month in sales. But there's high competition. It's very saturated. It's going to be very challenging for a new seller to sell an iPhone case and compete with other sellers. Instead, what we want to do is get very niche specific. So let me show you what that looks like. So I found a product called a dog ball launcher, right? This is very specific compared to an iPhone case. So let's see what Jungle Scout says instead. Okay, the opportunity score says there's high demand with low competition, right? This is going to be a much easier product for us to sell, especially if you're a new or a beginner on Amazon. And there's still a lot of money being made with this. 167 grand a month, 46 grand a month, 33 grand a month in sales selling a dog ball launcher. Okay, and make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to share with you exactly how I found this dog ball launcher so you can start using that same research method to find products to sell. Okay, so now that we have a product, we know there's high demand, there's low competition, it's making money, we have to source the product from a manufacturer at a good price. Okay. So if I go over to Alibaba.com, this is a website that I use to find suppliers, to find manufacturers, to create my products to eventually sell on Amazon. And real quick, I found this product, and something I want to point out is that this supplier, this manufacturer for the product is verified, right? This means that they are a reliable manufacturer. If they don't have this verified check mark on their listing, then you don't want to deal with them. Okay, this means that a third party actually goes to this manufacturing site, make sure that this manufacturer is who they say they are, because the last thing you want to do is send $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 for a purchase order and the manufacturer not be who they say they are, and they just take the money and run. Okay, so they are reliable. Number 1. Number 2, they have a decent price. Okay, so we could see that we could buy 240 pieces for about 26 bucks per unit, but there's also shipping involved, right? We have to ship the product from the manufacturer to us, and what's that going to cost? If we scroll down, we could see that the shipping is about 60 bucks for 8 pieces. So that translates to about $7.50 for shipping per unit. So total all in, we're looking at about $33.50 per unit. But we need to now know our numbers. That's step number 3. Okay, so we know that this product, our competition, is selling for $159. So we need to know how much profit we can make because we have to pay Amazon, right? Amazon needs their cut as well. So that's where we go to Amazon's revenue calculator. And you can get to this page by just Googling Amazon FBA revenue calculator, and it'll pull this up. So now we're going to find out the specifics of how much profit we can make. And we need to grab either a UPC code, a SKU, or an ASIN. And all that is a unique identifier to this listing. So I'm just going to scroll all the way down. And right here is the ASIN. I'm just going to copy that. We'll paste that in here. And it's going to pull up all of the data. So something I want to point out real quick when this pulls up is there's 2 different types of fulfillment. There's your fulfillment and Amazon fulfillment. Your fulfillment means that anytime a product sells on Amazon on the listing, that you have to personally pick, pack, and ship the product and go to UPS, go to the post office, ship it out of your house. That is a very time-consuming, labor-intensive process. We want to use Amazon fulfillment. What this means is we're shipping the product to Amazon's warehouse, and anytime it sells, Amazon employees will ship the product for you. They'll deal with any returns, any customer service, any chargebacks. They deal with all of it. So it's a very hands-off process. Now, we do pay them a fee, but it is an easy way to scale your business. All right, so we can see it's selling for 159 bucks. The Amazon fees are kind of high, but we need to know the numbers, okay? So down here, we're gonna put cost of goods sold, and with all in with the product and shipping, we are looking at about $33.50. And we could see that we have a profit of $49 or 49% profit margin, or a $79.24 net profit. So you're essentially buying a toy for 33 bucks from a manufacturer. You're getting the 33 bucks back, and then you're getting $79 back from Amazon every time it sells. Pretty amazing. So how did I find this product? I'll show you a really easy way to find products just like this. So I'm going to go to Amazon's search bar, and I'm just going to search a main keyword like dog. And then you press space, and you can see that it autofills different searches that people, different products that people are searching for. So if I just type in then dog collar, and then you can see it autofills again, right? Dog collar for medium dogs, large dogs, dog collar light, okay? And then you could click search, and then you open up Jungle Scout or use some other type of software to see if the product is a good fit for you and your criteria. And that is how you find niche specific products to sell, not those mass market products like iPhone cases. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's helpful. If you have any questions, let me know what they are in the comments and I'll answer you. And we'll see you in the next one. Take care.